Okay guys, I'm gonna show you my part 2 of my toy collection. I have some X-Men figures, some Spider-Man figures, some Dragon Ball Super figures, and some Mego figures, and some My Hero, no, My Titan Hero, I don't know what they're called actually. Titan Hero action figures, and some Batman action figures that are like 12 inches, and a Star Wars action figure that's 12 inches. And I have a Goku statue also, and I'm going to show you that one too. So here we go. This is Warpath. He's one of the action figures I got a long time ago. This is Mystique. She's one of my favorite action figures that I got. She's brand new in the box. I don't open my toys. I always keep them in the box. And this is who's she? Oh yeah, Spider-Gwen. Yeah, I love this action figure because it's from the Spider-Man Spider-Verse movie, and I love that movie. I have the Invisible Woman from the Fantastic Four. Yeah, she's pretty cool. My brother sold it to me a few this year, like not a few days ago, but I think it was a long time ago. But it was this year. I have Carnage from the movie Venom. I couldn't get the whole set because the people were like crazy buying everything and buying all the toys and buying all the Marvel Legend toys. I couldn't collect as many as I wanted, but it's alright. I got some. I don't have a lot though, but I got some. Have a few only. And this is Ghost Spider. Yeah, she's pretty cool too. She's from a video game. I have Bardock from Dragon Ball Super. No, from Dragon Ball Z, I mean. Yeah, he's pretty cool too. The Invisible Man from the Invisible Man movie. The Mole Man from the Mole People. This is who is this? The Toxic Avenger. He's pretty cool. Here are the 12-inch action figures that I have. Spider-Man. He's pretty cool. Spider-Girl. She's pretty cool too. Like I said, I've been collecting toys since I was a kid. I have this Darth Vader action figure. He's pretty cool. And now that I'm in my 20s, I still like collecting toys and movies and dinosaurs. And this is Batman from the Batman movie. He's a 12-inch action figure. Catwoman from the Batman movie. She's a 12-inch action figure. Mr. Freeze from, I don't know, he's just a random toy. I don't know who is this, cause it doesn't have her name in the box. I guess it's Princess Leia. I don't know. Well, who knows?